Top 20 Donald Knuth Quotes. Donald Irvin Knuth is an American computer scientist and mathematician. Beware of bugs in the above code. I have only proved it correct, not tried it. Science is what we understand well enough to explain to a computer. Art is everything else we do. If you optimize everything, you will always be unhappy. There is no adequate defense, except stupidity, against the impact of a new idea. To understand recursion, one must first understand recursion. I certainly have strong feelings about open source. I think nobody should ever use closed source software ever again. The purpose of computing is insight, not numbers. You can't really be a good computer scientist or a good programmer without having a basic knowledge of mathematics. I think the major good idea in Unix was its clean and simple interface. Open, close, read, and write. The first step toward knowledge is to know that we are ignorant. We should forget about small efficiencies. Say about 97% of the time. Premature optimization is the root of all evil. Computer programming is an art because it applies accumulated knowledge to the world, because it requires skill and ingenuity, and especially because it produces objects of beauty. It is important to distinguish between the question of whether a problem can be solved and the question of whether one can be programmed to solve it. Email is a wonderful thing for people whose role in life is to be on top of things, but not for me. My role is to be on the bottom of things. When I find an idea that gives me an indescribable joy, then I know I'm onto something. I've learned that efficiency can sometimes be hazardous to your health. Before the middle of the 19th century, speed was measured in feet per hour. I'm never sure what's coming next, but I'm an open-minded person and I welcome any challenge. People are notoriously bad at explaining what they're doing in a way that machines can understand. There is no such thing as a perfect algorithm.